guys, welcome back to Angie's Word and happy Thursday. So today I went to Big W and I found myself a new slime. It's a cloud slime and it is called the Gui-Gui Mystery Beauty Slime. So I thought I would unbox it and show you. So I've got my handy dandy box cutter and I'm going to, whoops, sorry, one corner, two corners, three corners. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so here is the instructions. It's a 5 step and this slime is from Moose Playhouse. Whoa. Oh, okay. So I got 5 sections. I am going, then you've also got like a little collector's guide, which I love. I hope to get the whole set. So first you got like your glossies, your clear, and your butter and your cloud slime. And then there are also some that are coming soon, which is really cool. I'm not going to be using number 5 because I don't really want glitter in there. Okay, so first you got the container. So this is just your container that you put it in. So step number 1 is to open this. Whoa, and oh, I got a purple one. That's cool. Oh, it's a bit sticky. Oh, no, it is sticky. Oh, yes. So it's a nice purple color. And you just got to work it for 10 seconds just to get all the stickiness off. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells beautiful. So that's like the base, which is surprisingly good. I'm just going to put it in here for the melt. Opa. I'm just going to put it in here. Then we've got the second item, which is another version, like a different scent of the cloud slime. You get this mini blue cloud slime, which is really cool. Smells the same, and then you just actually mix it together, which I really don't know what the point is because like the blue is already gone. Oh, look at that. It smells so good. I want to get the whole entire collection. You can get it in Big W for $10. It's amazing. Okay, third is some charms, which are really cool. First one I've got is like a little bear head, really cute, a paw print, a little flower, and then just some cute little beads. But I'm not going to add any of these in there because I think it's just a waste. And finally, number 4, you get this cute little figurine with the, look how cute it is. So let me see on the collector's guide which one I got for the cloud slimes. So the one that I got is called Star in the Limit, and it's a blueberry scent, which is really cool. The other 2 cloud slime ones that you can get is called the Lucky Charm, and it's scented like caramel crunch. And the third one is Sunset Dream, which is scented like sweet citrus. And then there's like butter slimes. I hope to do like a whole opening one day. But oh my god, you guys, it is actually so fluffy. It's so fluffy, I want to die. But like, look at it, it's so pretty. I've never owned like a proper cloud slime before. Back when I was like younger, I used to like to play with Play-Doh, and Play-Doh came out with like Play-Doh slime, and I found they had like clear slime, they had they also had like cloud slime, but it was like a really fake cloud slime. Look at it. Oh, it's so fluffy. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry, my dog has woken up from her beauty nap. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye.